Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip.
I'm Blacksea. It's good to see you guys.
And it is the weekend. It is Friday, so I hope everybody's enjoying some time on this U.S. holiday with your families. Just enjoying your wonderful weekend as it is. As the crypto markets are crashing and CRO COIN, which we're going to talk about Cronos today, dipped down below 8 cents. We came down to a low of 7.7 cents. In this video, we want to talk about a couple key things. One, a thing that the CRO fam, the Cronos Coin community could do to help improve the future for this token as a group. Two, I want to talk about Bitcoin versus CRO. I just peeked at that chart we've been tracking for a while. And then, of course, third, and probably most importantly to some of you guys out there, let's talk about the CRO Coin price action. To start it off, I guess maybe let's start with the price action.
Sure, yeah.
So a 7.7 cent CRO, is that surprising to you?
Yeah, it's unfortunate, to be honest. I had my eyes open on 0.0830 cents, and I said if we break below that, the trend is going to turn bearish. And well, I mean, when you look at Bitcoin, it's to be expected. We're starting to look a little bit more bearish here for the, not only the short term, but maybe the midterm-ish, a couple months. But that being said, this could be a fake out. We need to see some confirmation first.
Yeah, I don't love to see the 7.7 cent CRO, but also I keep going back to the idea that I really do believe that we're going to have a dollar CRO. I think we could have a $2 to $5 CRO. And so if you're buying a 7 cent CRO, well, let's just say you're buying a 10 cent CRO, you've got a 10x to a dollar. Now I think we're going to go double higher than that minimum. So 20x, you've got over a 20x opportunity if you're buying CRO below 10 cents. So as maybe I wasn't expecting to see that or hoping to see that, the fact that we are seeing that, we just did a live stream earlier. I know a lot of people that are holding CRO or like Crypto.com and the CRO token. They're accumulating at these levels because really we are in this 4-year cycle that we've discussed so many times. And at the end of this full-fledged cycle, we're going to have an altcoin mania. Crypto.com, with the success that they've been having, should
hypothetically
right.
Make a move to the upside. Yeah, you know, that's what CRO Coin is infamous for in the past cycles. It makes its big hurrah towards the end of the cycle, and usually that's an indication that retail is FOMOing in. And when you see retail FOMO in, you're usually looking at the last 80% move of the 20% left of the bull run.
The thing that probably took me by the most surprise with everything we've seen for CRO Coin over the last 2 or 3 months, well, first of all, the meme coin mania was very surprising, and in the best way. It was awesome.
Yeah,
for
great.
Some, people got hurt. I do know that, which is why one thing I was always continuously cautious about is, and then the next project launches, and the next project. You got to be careful with all that. But that's not even the most surprising thing that happened for me with CRO in general in the last couple months. The most surprising thing has been the valuation versus Bitcoin. I've been really looking at this chart a lot, and the CRO chart versus BTC is right now at its all-time low.
I don't like to see it.
I don't like to see it, but I also, again, look at that we are holding this floor still.
Yeah.
So
you know that I want to interject there for a second because you know, I've been talking a lot about on crypto Twitter 333 Blacksea. Follow me. I've been saying, you know, the bull markets are harder than the bear markets. In the bear market, you're buying the blood, and you know, okay, we're probably going to be trading down here for a while, but the only way to go is up. In the bull market, it's different because you can lose your gains. You don't know when to put more money in. You don't know if you're DCAing into a black hole or if you're actually going to make money from it.
I do look at this moment, though, and I see the valuation of CRO very cheap, obviously versus the dollar, but versus Bitcoin. And the thing that I keep coming back to with this very moment on CRO versus Bitcoin is I've had a lot of people on live stream specifically ask me, so should I sell my CRO for Bitcoin right now? And just like right now, historically, I've said it before, I'll say it again, this is literally just based on that Bitcoin versus CRO chart, the literal worst time to convert your CRO into Bitcoin, because hypothetically, if this is the bottom of that chart, which I believe that it is, then we have up to 10,000% upside, I believe. If I were to have my tracer tool, I'd show it on my screen right now. A huge amount of upside for CRO performing versus Bitcoin, outperforming Bitcoin, and that's nothing unique. A lot of altcoins outperform Bitcoin in a full-fledged bull market, and inherently, why has anything changed that would make you want to literally sell at a loss in your Bitcoin valuation. So that caught me by surprise that we came down this low, but the fact that we're holding this level makes me pretty happy. Now, let's talk about how we hold that floor, right? First of all, I don't even want to talk about what happens if we don't, and now we're making new lows versus Bitcoin. We're not going to go there in this video.
That'll be a different video if that happens.
That's a different video.
Yeah, exactly.
But let's talk about how we hold that floor and drive, more CRO coin holders. How do we find more CRO coin holders? How do we grow the ecosystem?
Yeah. We need to be pushing CRO coin together. We all need to be, the CRO fam needs to come together. I'm on day 6 right now. I've proposed a proposal to Cryptocom and Chris Marziak to take a percentage of quarterly profits from their company and buy back CRO coin, market buy it, and burn it. This is very similar to what Binance does with their BNB coin. They take a fifth of their quarterly profits each quarter and buy Binance and burn it. And you can look at the Binance chart, and it causes speculation, causes more people to speculate on the Binance coin. It drives more people to the ecosystem. When people are talking about your coin and the price is going up, unfortunately, guys, that's very important. That is very, very important to bring people on, to onboard people. A lot of people I'll hear and they'll say, oh, price isn't everything. Yes, it is. Yes, it is everything. If things are going to zero, people are going to sell. People are going to stop using your product. It's as simple as that. But so I am on day 6 right now. Every single day, I'm going to keep putting this proposal out there on Twitter, 333 Blacksea. Reshare it. Follow me. Get this in front. Yes, get this in front of Crypto.com and Chris Marziak. We can do this together, guys.
I love this thing. I didn't even know about that. Guys, this burn proposal, I love it. We got to call it what it is. It would be spectacular. Can it really happen? Well, the truth is there's only one way to find out. It's to try. Okay?
Strength in numbers.
Strength in numbers. It's a public outspeak petition, a vocal petition from the community. And if you love CRO coin and you want it to go up, the easiest thing you can do is start your own, right? I've seen a couple people, shout out to Sean, a big CRONOS influencer. I think, he's been in this space for a very long time, starting to talk about, I think he's on like day 3 of his CRO coin burn challenge. If everybody takes this up and we make enough noise, you never know, guys, we might be able to get it to happen.
Yeah. At least start a conversation. Start a conversation. That's the goal here. If it goes through, great. Everyone is going to make money. CRO coin is going to go to $1 and beyond like that. But really, the whole goal here is to start this conversation.
I would love in the next AMA with Chris Marziak if all of a sudden and on to the next question, the burn proposal.
Yes,
and then at least we can get a comment on it.
I think it's doable. I think it's possible.
It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. I think
a sign.
We hit all the points, guys.
Yeah.
You know what to do. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel, guys. As for CRO, it's holding its floor versus Bitcoin. We would love to see that burn proposal. Go retweet it. Find us on Twitter, guys. Share it with all the CRO fam. Let's see what happens next. Bitcoin needs to hold these levels. If we
make
can
some noise.
Make some noise. Stay patient. Let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. Subscribe to the channel for more content, guys. If you want to take advantage of the volatility in these markets and you want to trade, well, Bitcoin is going wild, giving you crazy altcoin buying opportunities. Whether you want to buy spot or leverage trade, you can sign up for a wonderful new and upcoming platform, Blowfin. You can leverage trade there. You can buy spot. You get free money up to, if you deposit $2,000, you get up to a $300 sign-up bonus for a $2,000 deposit. There's other bonuses as well.
Up to $5,000.
Check them out, guys. In the comment, we'll pin it in the comments.
Yeah.
It's in the description. Enjoy the weekend, everybody. That's all I got. That's all we got.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Really, if we come together and make some noise here for the CRO fam, the CRONOS ecosystem will benefit and we'll all make more money. It's the truth.
Let's do it, fam. Until next time, DCA HODL. See you in the next one, y'all. Peace.